Welcome to the video tour for number 2 Bitterton Cottages. I'm Matt from Fine & Country, and today we present an absolutely stunning 4-bedroom, 4-reception room, semi-detached stone-fronted cottage sat here in Marwood. So you're just over an acre of grounds, you've got plenty of driveway parking, beautiful gardens, countryside surrounds the property. I'm going to be a bit biased because Marwood is the village that I grew up in, so I've got many fond memories here. You've got fantastic primary school just up the road, same with the nursery, and you're actually in the catchment area for Braunton Academy too. So there's lots of benefits with this property. It's also been sympathetically extended, renovated, beautifully presented, so come and take a look. So as you can see, the property has been beautifully modernised and sympathetically extended by the current owners. The property now presents 4 bedrooms, you've got 3/4 reception rooms, 2 en-suites and a family bathroom as well. In addition to that, most of the furniture that you see can be purchased via separate negotiation, so it's the perfect opportunity for anyone looking to purchase a home and move straight in. In addition to that, comes to market with no onward chain, so for anyone looking for a quick purchase, hassle-free, this could be the one for you. So that concludes today's video tour of 2 Bitterton Cottages. Now, hopefully you've seen everything, including the beautiful gardens that I'm stood in, the surrounding countryside, internally just how well this property has been presented and modernised by the current owners. I definitely have a bit of property envy here with this one. If it interests you and you want to arrange a viewing, have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us at Webber's Fine & Country in Barnstaple, and we'd love to see you and answer any questions you have. Thank you.